Hello students, today we are going to read the second lesson from our EVS textbook. The name of the lesson is Plants and Animals Also Need Water. So we shall begin reading the lesson. We need water to live. Like us, plants and animals also need water. Plants need water. Plants need water to make their food. They make their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. 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 Rain is the main source, source of water on the land. Rainwater goes into the soil. Plants get this water from the soil through through their roots. So, here you can see a picture which is showing plants get water through roots. So, you can see here the sunlight from the sun, the air present in the atmosphere, and the plants get the water from the soil. The roots of the plants absorb the water from the soil. Now, let us read page number 10. Some plants grow in water. They are called aquatic. Aquatic plants. Lotus, water lily and water hyacinth. Hyacinth. Water hyacinth are aquatic plants. Here you can see the picture of water hyacinth, and here we have a lotus. So the next is animals need water. Animals also need water. Animals living in the forest get water from ponds, rivers, lakes, or streams. Domestic, domestic and pet animals get water from humans. So here you can see the animals in the forest. From where do they get the water? They get the water from the ponds or the rivers, lakes and streams that are present in the forest. Now let us move to page number 11. Water also provides home for some animals like fish, whale and octopus. Octopus. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. Here you can see the animals like whale, octopus, various types of fishes. Then we have a crab. All these animals that live in water are called as aquatic animals. So, more plants and animals. All plants and animals need water, but some plants and animals need less water than the others. For example, cactus. 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 Cactus plant needs very little water. It grows in places with very less water. Cactus does not have leaves like other plants. Its leaves are converted. Converted into spines. Spines. Spines means thorns. That is why this plant can grow with minimum minimum water. The next is about the animal camel. Camel. Camel is found in the desert. Desert. We know that very less water is available. Available in the desert. Camel is an animal that can live without food and water for many days. Desert rats and snakes also need less water to live. Here you can see a picture of a camel. Camel is an animal that does not require large quantity of water. Even with less water, it can survive for many days. So students, this was the lesson plants and animals also need water. Try to read this lesson on your own.